Students, now all of you take page number 92. Did you see activity 1? So all of you read the question. Now I'll read it for you. And yet my heart ached as I did it, the boy said as he went back to the field. I thought of her all the time I worked. Many thoughts must have passed through his mind while painting the pictures. What would those thoughts be? Attempt a diary entry based on the boy's thoughts. Students, how will you write this diary entry? Do you know the format of a diary entry? So now I'll give you a format of a diary entry. Students, this is a format of a diary entry. A question is given there. Today you celebrate Independence Day at your school, but you are not satisfied with the attitude of people towards freedom. They consider that they are free to spoil the country and soil its image. Write a diary entry expressing your feelings. Students, how does the diary entry begin? At the beginning of the diary entry, you have to write the day and the date. After that, you have to write the time when you are writing the diary. After writing the time, you have to write the salutation. Here the salutation is Dear Diary. Then the body of the diary should be written after writing the salutation. In the body, the subject should be I because the diary is a first person narration. Students, I'll read the body of this diary for you. Today, I'm just pantering over the condition of India. We are about to complete 70 years of independence. But where have we reached? Every year we commemorate the sacrifices made by our freedom fighters on this pious national festival, wave flags, sing patriotic songs, and show off our patriotism by posting patriotic images on social media, and the very next day we discard those flags in the drains. When I see the heaps of garbage everywhere, small kids working as child laborers, people dying because of lack of food or medical treatment, discriminating against women, I feel ashamed of myself. So you have to write your feelings in this diary. At last, you have to write your name and put signature. So this is a format of a diary entry. So you have to write the diary entry of the boy in this format. Here you have to write the thoughts that passed through his mind while painting the pictures. It's a homework for you. Now shall we move on to the next activity? In the same page, you can see another activity, activity 2. Now I'll read the question. The boy finally came up with a wonderful painting appreciated by everyone. His little sister's words were the real inspiration behind his achievement. Having heard of the achievement of the boy, you have decided to send a letter of appreciation to him. Write the letter. Students, here you are asked to write a letter of appreciation to the boy. How will you write that letter? Do you know the format of a letter? First of all, I'll give you a format of a letter. Students, all of you look here. This is a format of a letter. So what will you write at the beginning of a letter? Yes, you have to write the address of the sender. If you are writing the letter, you have to write your address. What will you write after the address? After writing the address, you have to write the date. Then write the salutation. Dear, name of the person. After the salutation, you have to write the body of the letter. In the body, you have to include 3 paragraphs. Paragraph 1 asks for the well-being of the person. In paragraph 2, include the main reason to write the letter. Paragraph 3 include the conclusion and end of letter. At the end of the letter, you have to write yours lovingly or yours faithfully, name of sender. That means you have to write your name. So you have to follow this format of writing a letter. Students, now I will show you a sample of an informal letter. A title is given there, Congratulations for your success. An address is given there, 33 5th Avenue, 4th Cross Road, Mumbai 89, Maharashtra. Then you have to write the date. Date 18th June 2020. Then it is a salutation, Dear Preeti. Then the body of the letter is given there. It is divided into 3. Paragraph 1. How are you? How are your family members? How is the weather there? Hope you are doing well. I'm also fine here. Then in the second paragraph, you have to include the reason for writing the letter. I heard the news of you holding first rank in the class. I feel really happy and proud of you. I would like to congratulate you for the same. I know you must have done a lot of hard work for it and finally you have achieved what you wanted. Then look, third paragraph. Here this third paragraph is the conclusion and the end of letter. I'm hoping that you achieve all the success in future. Keep it up. Also, we'll try to meet you in person and congratulate you. If we meet ever, we'll surely celebrate for your success. Then a sentence is given there. Till then, take care of yourself and your family. Then at last, take care. With love, Pooja. It is the signatory part of a letter. So this is the way of writing a letter. So all of you study the format of writing a diary and a letter. So students, hope you will write this activity as a homework. Remember one thing, write these homeworks in a rough note. Students, all of you try to write these activities yourself. Hope you all understood and enjoyed today's class. In the next class, we will meet with some other activities. Thank you, dear children.